You sit down to do something important, maybe study, maybe work, maybe finally fix your life, and within 2 minutes, you're checking your phone, scrolling reels, thinking about food, or suddenly deciding that cleaning your room is very urgent right now. What's going on? Why can't you focus, even for 10 minutes? Are you lazy, or is something else controlling your brain? Let's be honest. You're not dumb. You're not incapable. You focused before on things you actually enjoy. You can watch a 2-hour movie without blinking. You can scroll your phone for hours like it's your full-time job. You can even stalk someone's profile from 2016 without losing concentration. So clearly, focus is not your problem. Your brain just refuses to focus on things that feel boring, hard, or slow. And here's the real reason why. Your brain is addicted to easy dopamine. Every time you open your phone, you get a small reward. New video, new post, new notification. It's fast, it's effortless, it feels good. Now compare that to studying. You sit with a book, nothing exciting happens, no instant reward, just effort. Your brain goes, bro, why are we doing this? Let's go back to scrolling. And just like that, you lose focus. But wait, it gets worse. Your attention span is not just low, it's trained to be low. Every time you switch between apps, every time you skip a video in 3 seconds, every time you multitask, you are literally teaching your brain, don't stay on one thing for too long. So when you finally try to focus, your brain panics. It feels uncomfortable. It feels slow. It feels wrong. That's why after a few minutes, you suddenly feel like, I need to check something. I'll just take a quick break. I'll start properly later. And boom, focus is gone. Now here's something most people don't realize. Focus is not about forcing yourself. It's about removing distractions before they remove you. Think about it. You say, I'll focus, but your phone is right next to you. That's like saying, I'll eat healthy while holding a pizza in your hand. Of course you'll fail.
Your environment is stronger than your willpower. And here's another hidden reason. You don't start small. You sit down and expect yourself to focus for 1 hour straight. Your brain is like, excuse me? We can't even do 5 minutes. So instead of starting, you procrastinate. And then you feel guilty, which makes it even harder to start next time. It becomes a cycle. No focus, guilt, avoidance, even less focus. Now here's the truth. You don't need motivation. You don't need some magical productivity hack. You need to retrain your brain. Start with just 5 minutes. Yes, just 5. No phone, no distractions. Just one task. It will feel uncomfortable. Your brain will try to escape, but that's the point. That discomfort, that's your focus muscle growing. Then slowly go to 10 minutes, then 15, and suddenly something crazy happens. You start enjoying it because your brain realizes this is not torture, this is normal. Also, make distractions harder. Keep your phone in another room. Turn off notifications. Make it annoying to get distracted. Because right now, it's too easy, and anything easy, your brain will choose. And one last thing, stop blaming yourself. You're not broken. You've just been trained by a world designed to steal your attention. Apps are built to keep you hooked. Videos are designed to be addictive. Everything around you is fighting for your focus. So if you're struggling, it's not because you're weak, it's because you're human. But the good news? You can take control back, one small step at a time. So next time you sit down to work, don't aim for perfection, just aim for 5 minutes. Because the person who can focus for 5 minutes today can focus for hours tomorrow. And the person who keeps waiting for motivation will keep scrolling forever. So the real question is, are you going to train your brain or let it stay distracted?